couple making out.
For them, they were only waiting for
I mean, I do sometimes.
She was so drawn to like Luke's helmet.
Good. Right when we get off, you, mommy, sit, can't understand. Yeah, my
And then all the way to the wall, friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you all for dropping in.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
So, do you want to hold this hand or my hand when we do this?
She crazy.
got one.
Number 6, how many minutes? Party of 2. Any parties of 2? Come on up, please.
All right. Oh, back row.
Number 6.
Welcome everyone. Just a reminder to buckle your seatbelt from left to right. That is left to right only. Also, please make sure to hold on to anything you do not wish to lose.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus números.
Back rope on the yellow strap. Back rope on the yellow strap. Over here, row 4 on the yellow strap. Pull the yellow strap on row 4. Okay, row 3. On the yellow one for me. Thank you, row 1. And row 2. Okay, everybody hands up. Okay, keep those hands nice and high and wave your last. Goodbye.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Interesting. We're supposed to go further back. Oh, I think we're stuck.
No, but I thought
Please get in over and watch what's there.
Oh, there's a delay in the previous one.
yeah, maybe a little traffic jam.
Yep. Interesting.
Yeah, quit talking.
Here we go. Right next. This is even spookier than normal.
Please tell me that's over.
We're gonna drop.
Just one more drop.
That'd be kind of funny if it did drop one more time.
My bag shut down.
Checkout down the hall to your left. Thanks. Have a good one. Hold on. It is 1:55.
Oh well.
Picture with Goofy, please. Hey, Goofy. Can you take a picture with her? She's coming. She's coming. Okay, ready? Okay. Off 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. Thank you.